And you met TJ. TJ's a human. Thank you, TJ. Okay, Keto. Would you give them like a big old greeting? That's it. I would tell you what kind of parrot she is, but she does that. So this is Keto, and Keto is a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. And they're normally found, double yellow-headed Amazons, they're found in the Amazon rainforest, right? In Central and South America, right? But this bird, she grew up as a pet in the home. So she learned a bunch of other stuff, like some animal sounds. Want to hear them? She does like the big, scary tiger. Or ferocious. If that was too much, we could do the smaller tiger. Would you show them your kitty cat? Nice. And, should we do one more? Okay, one more. It's a bird found in Australia. They make a cool sound. It's called a kookaburra. And they sound like that. And it's super neat, but the thing is, most of what Keto has learned is not to copy animal sounds. It's to copy human sounds. She was a pet at home. There's a reason she's not. I mean, parrots are not easy pets. And for her old person she used to live with, it was a little much, which makes sense. But she did learn how to say things like, this morning, she says, good morning. Good morning. Like that. And she'll also say, good job. You say, good job. Nice. And I'll give her that treat, but she does this cool thing when people clap. So if you clap, she might want to try it. That's it. And this last thing she does is probably my favorite thing, and I'm just gonna I'm not even gonna tell you what it is, I'm just gonna see if she'll do it. Okay. And that's our show. Thank you all so much. I'm kidding. This last thing, let's see if she'll do it. That cute thing that she just said, we don't know what that is, but I can give her peanuts for you. Alright, you ready? Let's do it. Great job, Keto! The coolest thing about that song is that it's never the same twice. You were so stinking cute. Okay, but I think it's about time to say goodbye. What do you think? I'll let you finish that. Would you say goodbye? Goodbye! That's Keto, the double yellow-headed Amazon. And of course, TJ the human as well. Yeah, thank you very much, TJ. I really appreciate it. She's trying to knock that perch over. And Keto, an amazing parrot. They're awesome.